I'm back. What's up, everyone? My name is Christine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Apologies for the air conditioning being extremely loud, and for the sound, it might not be the best quality right now. Today, I will be doing my makeup. I'm going to be doing a more simple look than I did the last time. However, I will not be talking, and that's why I don't mind the air right now. My good friend Brandon will be narrating this makeup tutorial. I don't know his knowledge about makeup. He might be a genius, he might not be. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm super excited. So without further ado, take it away, Brandon.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. So it looks like we're not even at the makeup tutorial yet. We're putting up our hair, which is a ton of fun. How's it going? My name is Brandon. I guess I should probably introduce myself. We're running on 4 hours of sleep and about 340 milligrams of caffeine. So we'll see how this goes. So here's a fun fact about these files. When I went to edit them, I actually couldn't because of the fact that Christine didn't say anything, so Premiere Pro decided that it was going to think that we were dealing with just audio, even though there was no audio, so we were off to a great start. But regardless, here we are. We're just gonna pause for a second when we just... I don't know who she looks like right now, but she kind of looks like a famous actor. Who knows? But she really expects me to sit here and watch 6 minutes and 18 seconds in the first clip of her just putting on moisturizer. She's got another thing coming. But you know what? Okay, so what is this? What is this? Okay, if you're gonna highlight the product, then you need to keep it there for a second. So let's scroll on back. And then, okay, so what do we have here? What do we have? My Best Light. No clue what that is, but that's cool. It kind of looks like toothpaste. She's throwing it on, doing whatever. You do you, man. Okay, there you go. Wow, a quick little dot. I swear to God, you can brush your teeth with this. What is she doing? Is she putting on clown makeup? Who knows? She acts like it. Might as well put on the makeup to go with it. Just kidding. Moving right along, as the Muppets say, just going on and rubbing it in, I guess. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what's going on here. Does anyone remember, like, 2018? When people would just text their boyfriends like, hey, what is this? And it was like the beauty blender thing. And no one had any idea what it was. That's kind of what this feels like. It's like the 2020 edition. I can't tell if she's moisturizing or giving herself a face massage. Regardless, we're breaking out the makeup wipes. I know what those are. So that's fine. Okay, what are we dealing with here? What is this product? Maybe she's like doing it really quickly because no one's like advertising. No one's paying her to do this. Well, you know what? Boom. Okay, I'm not even gonna try to decipher what that is, but we'll keep going. So it looks like she's putting it on her hand. Okay, here we go. A little step-by-step procedure. That's how much you want, I guess. That's how much. And then she's putting it in the same place as the last thing she just put. It's kind of like she's applying sunscreen, but we all know Christine doesn't go outside that much, so...
This is why.
It's not super pressing. Regardless, here we are. Putting it on, whatever this is, casually rubbing it in, and here we are onto the next thing? Question mark. Now we need to rub off the stuff with the makeup wipe and the hand. Okay, all right. Let's keep going. This is kind of like a reverse ASMR video because I can't hear anything. Okay. I'm not even gonna bother. That kind of looks like a hair gel canister, but it's not. Okay, so it's a palette. I know what that is, except I'm pretty sure a palette has more stuff in it. I don't really know, but okay. Look at the wow, so sassy. Look at the face she's making. What are we doing here? Why are you like pursing your lips here when you're putting the makeup on over here? And then, oh, okay, all right. You know what? I'm not even going to try to pretend to understand what's going on right now, but that's totally fine. Rubbing everything in. And then, as the song goes, on to the next one. We're doing a little dance. And then it kind of looks like a lip gloss type deal, but it's not. Oh, it's going on her eyes. It's going around her eyes. We're just doing that, you know? You're picking up what we're laying down. There's the beauty blender. Okay, I know what that is. I know exactly what that is. Alright. Quite honestly, this video is making me realize more than anything that I should probably learn more about makeup, because I know nothing. Anyways, we've still got about 1 minute left. I'm curious to see what else could possibly go on her face. But you know what? It's cool. I know the term mascara. I wonder if she'll put that on. Personally, I prefer waterproof mascara because when you're crying at 3 o'clock in the morning, you don't want it dripping down your face. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. On to the next thing. We have a bigger brush this time. And again, just dabbing on the haters with a paintbrush. Go all the way around the face. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so yeah, don't forget to smack your nose with it. Look at that powder just sort of chilling in the air. Okay, the next thing, Masterfix. That was like a really clear picture for like a split second. And then it disappeared again. Alright, so we're back at it. We're starting this next clip 16 seconds in because I actually interrupted this recording by texting Christine. So this is the full palette. This is the Nudes palette. Alright, look, this is the color that we're using today because why not? And then make sure you tap the glass and then boom, just dive right into it. Just smack it on your eyes, but make sure you close your eyes. But oh my god, that was scary. Her like other eye was like fluttering. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I feel like this would just make me uncomfortable. I mean, it is making me uncomfortable. But if I were to physically put this on, I don't know how you theater majors do it. But okay. Here we go. Bada boom, bada bing. This is eyeshadow, I want to say. I'm pretty sure that's what this is called. I always get the different eye products confused. I mean, I don't know. But also, let's take this moment to point out the fact that Christine doesn't have glasses on. Personally, I need glasses, and I find it really offensive that some people are just out here seeing for free. I think, you know, it's not fair. But you know what? We do what we can. So here we go. Boom. Back to this eye. We're just switching back and forth, trying to do what we can with this smaller paintbrush. I'm very curious to know how many different paintbrushes she has, and also how you clean them. But, alright, there you go. More than anything, this is just making me realize how long of a process this is. You know, it's kind of a meme where girls take forever to get ready, but if I had known that the process was this long, I would probably have more sympathy. So we're now on to the Wet and Wild palette. These are the different colors that we're using. She's using green. How fun. Okay. But interesting. I thought she would have used a brush for that. I guess not. Okay. There we go. And then boom, XFiber. That just kind of looks like a pen. It is not a pen. Oh, okay, this is mascara, I think. There you go. Look at.
I have to do this on off camera.
You have to do this off camera because of this face.
I have to do it off camera.
Nah, man, you do you. It's kind of like that one clip where it's like, cut the cameras. Dead ass. Welcome back. Here's the next clip. We're cutting into about 2 seconds in because she just finished up that last product off camera. Okay, this looks very similar to the last one, but I am seeing that the brush is slightly different. Okay, but also, I learned about the process of eyebrow threading like a month ago, and I actually like saw a video of it on TikTok or something. That stuff looks painful. I don't know how anyone could possibly go through with that, and I'm genuinely wondering if it's worth it. But you know what? The old saying goes, beauty is pain, or whatever the heck. But here we go. Boom. More brushes. So it looks like we're putting on another coat of paint. Whatever this is. This just seemed like the reoccurring thought, and maybe it's because I'm a business major, but the reoccurring thought here seems to be this looks like a very expensive process. Okay. I'm kind of curious to know, like, do people like flex the palettes they have? I remember like when Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson dropped a palette a while ago. That was like a really big thing. But I don't really know, and those names aren't exactly popular right now. But you know what? If you have a palette to flex, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. Look at that quick plug comment section. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're on TikTok, then don't forget to like the video, follow, stay tuned for more. Hopefully she'll be able to go like live soon, and then you guys can see Christine just like breaking out into laughter for no reason. But there we go. We just threw on some lip gloss. Full disclosure, I used to get the term lip gloss and lip balm mixed up all the time. Okay, no, this is lip gloss. I don't know what the last thing was. That the last one was like a stick. This one's like another paintbrush, and then boom, we're doing another dance. All right, we got about 49 seconds left in this clip. Okay, we have another thingamajig. We're putting it, and boom, going back to Cali. Shout out Biggie. Okay, so we're doing the. All right, okay, we're doing that. I have no idea what any of these things are. What is this? Is this hair dye? It is not. What is it? It's is this fancy water? It looks like fancy water. Look at, okay, and then make sure you wave your hand a bunch to rub it in. And then just sort of let it simmer. Throw up your thumbs up. Boom. Bada boom. Bada bing. Let it sit. You're good to go. Boom. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. This is the finished product. Nice. Wow. Stunning, amazing, show-stopping, all of the above. You already know. Look at that. What's she looking at? What's she saying? I don't know. Man, I really wish I could read lips right about now. And she's saying bye. Okay, bye, everybody.